A new mouse study finds potential risk of taking up the popular diet. Though many people claim the keto diet to be a game changer or a lifesaver, a newly released study raises questions about its ability to cause type 2 diabetes. The study, which was conducted on mice, evaluated the keto diet. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet plan that causes the body to burn fat instead of carbohydrates, a process known as ketosis. This is said to help with weight loss. The Journal of Physiology published the research, which said following the diet in its early phases could boost the risk for type 2 diabetes. The science behind Keto ETH Zurich along with the University Children's Hospital Zurich conducted the study. They fed mice ketogenic diets and high-fat diets and then tested their metabolisms and sugar responses. They found that keto diets don't allow the body to properly use insulin, so blood sugar isn't properly controlled. That leads to insulin resistance, which can raise the risk for type 2 diabetes. The researchers say they didn't evaluate if the diet causes obesity after long-term use. They called for additional research to better understand how keto diets affect the body. Researchers want to look at the mechanism behind the effects. Although ketogenic diets are known to be healthy, our findings indicate that there may be an increased risk of insulin resistance with this type of diet that may lead to type 2 diabetes, said Christian Wolfram, PhD, a professor at ETH Zurich and co-author of the research. Gerald Grandel, PhD, co-author of the study and professor at the German Research Center for Environmental Health, said that insulin resistance and the keto diet have been studied before. Studies on mice report different things, mostly improved or maintained insulin in muscle but impaired glucose tolerance systematically or in the liver alone. A century ago, doctors had recognized that fasting or starvation for several days, or strict carbohydrate restriction without starvation, can cause something called starvation diabetes in rodents, dogs, and humans. Now Grandel thinks that's similar to the findings in his paper. No one will get type 2 diabetes while on keto, simply because the carb intake is not high enough to develop any form of hyperglycemia, he said. What happens is the liver becomes insulin resistant, which he thinks is reversible when the person switches back to a high-carb, low, or medium-fat diet. But adding carbs to a diet high in fats is definitely a bad idea, he said. Co-founder and chief medical officer at Virta, a program that claims to reverse type 2 diabetes by drawing on ketosis, said there are no human studies that indicate a well-formulated keto diet causes type 2 diabetes. To the contrary, based upon many biomarkers that predict the incidence of type 2 diabetes, nutritional ketosis benefits all of them, he told Healthline. There's a lot of research that's suggested using carbohydrate restriction can help the disease, he added. Finney said that people struggle to follow a ketogenic diet if they have type 2 diabetes because they don't find it sustainable. Following a ketogenic nutrition plan can be difficult, which can be due to confusion around what constitutes a well-formulated ketogenic diet. There is simply no one-size-fits-all solution, making individualization extremely important. Finney noted. Finney said research on mice is valuable, but not all conclusions in mice studies can be replicated in humans. He also pointed out some limitations of the study, which include the diet only being used for 3 days. Additionally, the high-fat content of the diet was mostly from high amounts of vegetable shortening, which isn't recommended for humans because it's